Let's start with the chapter 17, that is early humans. In this chapter, we will learn about a long time ago, their food and dress, how early humans lived, the changing time. A long time ago, do you know that we humans don't know how to talk? They did not talk like we do. They were the early humans. Look at the picture. These are early humans. Now, how these early humans lived? They were not civilized. They did not live like as we live today. They lived in forest. They lived like wild animals. Now their food and dress. Early humans, they did not wear any dress, but after some times they started to cover their body with the leaves of plants. What they used to eat? They used to eat wild fruits and roots because they don't know how to grow food. They ate raw meat because they don't know cooking. They used to write and they used to draw pictures on the walls of caves, and they used to make things to hunt animals, and these things are known as tools. They used to make pots to carry water. The changing time. Now, after some days, the time has changed. The humans started to live in caves that provide them shelter. They discovered fire by rubbing two stones together. After discovery of fire, they started to do cooking. They started to eat roasted meat. The early human learned to make some tools. They tamed animals and started growing plants. In this way, farming started. Now, the early humans, they moved to small villages and left their caves. So in this way we have seen the changes in our human era. Now in this activity we have to tell those things that were used by early humans. Cake, no. Meat, yes. Fruits, yes. Milk, no. Ice, no. Tools, yes. Let's ponder. The early man lived in the earliest times. Early humans lived in forests like wild animals. They ate wild fruits, roots, raw meat. When the early humans learned about fire and farming, their life started changing. Now come to exercise. A. Oral questions. Name some things which were not available to early humans. Houses, clothes, cooked food, these are the things which were not available to early humans. Name some things which can be eaten raw. Fruits, vegetables, raw, roots, these can be eaten raw. Now come to B. Tick the correct option. Did early humans know how to grow food? No. The early humans used to live in forests. The fire was made by rubbing two stones. Now come to C. Right, true or false. The early humans were quite different from us. It is true. The early humans had no clothes. It is true. They did not know how to make fire. It is false. They could not make tools for himself. It is false. Now complete the following sentences. The early humans were not civilized. They lived like wild animals. They also hunted for food. They learned to tame animals. Now come to E. Answer the following questions. Who were the early humans? The man who lived in the earliest times is called the early humans. Where did they live? They lived in forests. How did they cover their body? They covered their body with leaves. What did they eat? They ate wild fruits, roots, and raw meat. What happened when they invented fire? When they invented fire, they started eating roasted meat and cooked food. Where did the man begin to live later on? The man began to live later on in a small village. Now come to things to do. What we have to do? We have to draw a picture of the kind of houses the early humans have lived in your scrapbook. Now number the following early men according to their lives. So this is first, then they will be like this 2, then 3, and nowadays it is like this. So it is 4.